deadliest thing on earth. They sugar blood and spread diseases, killing nearly 1 million people each year. Are we talking about vampires, lions, gorillas? Actually, none of these things. We are talking about mosquitoes. But what if I told you we could just wipe them out? No more buzzing, no more itching, no more dengue or malaria. Sounds awesome, right? But hold up. What really happens if we killed all the mosquitoes? Before we find out, if you don't subscribe to my channel, just subscribe. Okay, let us find out, and trust me, it's not as simple as it sounds. Yeah, I know, it may sound unusual that a little bug could be this deadly, but it's true. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and the dengue viruses. Yes, they do it by biting someone who has a particular disease and then biting you and injecting the saliva into your body. The saliva then enters your bloodstream, causing you to contact with whatever viruses or bacteria the mosquitoes pick it up. It's not just humans that affect either. Animals and farm livestock all around the world suffer greatly from mosquitoes. Just a single bite can be fatal. So, how do we get rid of these bugs? Well, first we have to figure it out exactly how many mosquitoes there are in the world. That's incredibly difficult to find out. It's estimated that there is a 70 trillion of them in Alaska alone. Yep, that's right, Alaska. Due to global warming and ocean temperatures rising, mosquitoes can live in places like this. And around the world, there are trillions of other mosquitoes too. That's the number of ways we could get rid of them. Bats eat mosquitoes in a hour, so if we had enough bats, in theory, they could efficiently wipe out mosquitoes all around the world. But then, how would we get rid of the millions of bats in the sky? Okay, maybe that's not the best idea. Another thing we need to understand is how mosquitoes reproduce. You may think they are actually doing it for the larvae, so if we somehow get rid of all our blood and wait, I know where this is going. Yeah, that's not going to work either. Instead of these options, we may need to release genetically modified male mosquitoes, ones that don't bite and can only produce 10 offspring. It could take several decades, but with enough of our genetically modified mosquitoes producing 10 offspring, mosquitoes would eventually be eradicated. So now that they are gone, what would happen next? Well, millions of people wouldn't be getting sick and dying each year. You could enjoy being outside in the summer without any fear of being bitten, and animals would be much safer as well. That's right, not many bad things would happen if we got rid of all the mosquitoes. What about the circle of life and all that? Even if don't mosquitoes contribute to the food chain, sure, some birds, bats and frogs eat quite a lot of mosquitoes, but they are still not a hugely significant part of other creatures' diets, and these animals will survive without mosquitoes too. And although mosquitoes do pollinate plants, it's not significant enough to justify keeping the species alive. But still, is getting rid of mosquitoes the right thing to do? After all, we could be getting rid of an entire species. We should keep in mind that there are thousands of different species of mosquitoes, but only 6 of them bite us and spread diseases. Not only that, but there are some theories suggest that mosquitoes may help to protect the Amazon rainforest. That's because they are so deadly and annoying to the people trying to cut down the rainforest that all times the bugs actually prevent them from doing so. And let us be real for a second. The human population is growing incredibly fast. Maybe mosquitoes are helping us to keep our population in check. Wait, what I'm saying? This would most definitely be a good thing. There would be a less disease and fewer people dying and very few negative consequences. So, should we kill all mosquitoes? Honestly, maybe not all of them, but the dangerous ones. If science can take them out safely, that's a win for humanity. Until then, maybe just keep the mosquito spray close. If you found this buzzing fact cool, hit the like, subscribe and share it with your friends who always gets beaten first. Got another creative issue facts you want me to break down? Drop it in the comment section below. Bye everyone, see you in the next video.